Hi all, I had told you that in my next video I'll be speaking to you about overcoming social anxiety. The first step, what you have to think is positive. There are few self-help techniques. The first self-help technique is reading positive books. Read as much as books which motivates you and improves your feeling and your thinking and your physical feel, everything overall. You have to feel motivated and you have to feel positive. Select these books and whatever interests you. If you're interested in any kind of drama books or any kind of motivational speakers book, anything which makes you happy and feels positive, you can choose such books and read. That is the first step you have to take in the self-help technique. And the next step is mirror talk. Mirror talk plays a very important role in self-help technique. In a day once stand in front of the mirror and talk to yourself and tell that you are beautiful, you're handsome. If it's a boy, you can say handsome. If it's a girl, you can say beautiful. Talk about yourself in a positive manner. You can say this day will be fantastic to me, and I will be my best. I will do whatever work is given in a right way, and these talks helps you to improve your confidence level. So this is the first method to overcome social anxiety, like self-help techniques what I shared right now. The second technique is practice deep breathing. Practicing deep breathing, meditation, whatever you call it, as guided imagery, all these things helps you out to overcome and your muscle tension or your stomach problems or your heartbeat increases when you meet people. So these will be balanced when you do it regularly, when you meditate regularly, and when you breathe in and breathe out in a right manner. You can join yoga or meditation classes which will really help you out to overcome social anxiety. And the third method what I will be sharing is right now, creating an exposure of hierarchy. Creating an exposure of hierarchy means uh, you cannot just if you're undergoing a social anxiety kind of a problem, you cannot just meet 100 people around you and you cannot address them. You cannot give a speech right there. You really can't do it. But what I'm saying here is hierarchy means it comes from 1 to 10, like small to big. So get exposed to a smaller crowd, and day by day, when you feel confident and when you feel that it's going on really well, increase the people around you. Maybe you can start with your if you're working or if you're going to school or if you're going to outer world, maybe start talking to your neighbors. This can be a first step you can do. Start giving a good eye contact to them and speak in a confidence way and show that interest towards people. So start with one or two people around you, and like that you have to increase. This is called the exposure to anxiety, exposure to social feel and thought in a right manner, in a right way, where you will be talking in a hierarchical manner, hierarchy way, I mean. So this is very important. Do not get exposed right where if you are having fear addressing people, you can't address just right then there. It's really not working out in that way. So go in a step by step manner, and you can apply these techniques in a very very simple manner. Start with a small crowd and then you can increase with the larger one. This is what I wanted to tell you. The next method, the fourth method, is stop assuming or stop predicting things. Because when you go out, you will become conscious that, oh, she's talking about me, oh, she's gossiping, oh, he's now coming and talking something bad about me. So stop assuming things, stop predicting things. This is the fourth main thing you have to keep in mind. Your mind, you have to take control. You are the boss for your mind. Do not allow your mind to control your whole body and your emotions. You have to talk to your mind and say that I will be fine. And what if they talk? What if that happens? No, no predicting anything. This is the next method you have to keep in mind, where prediction should not work anymore. And the last one, what I will be sharing is the last method, self reward. Self reward plays a very important role again, because when you do something good, you feel happy and you have to self reward. Maybe if you like ice creams, go and have ice cream, and praise yourself and say, yeah, this day I talked to people with the proper eye contact, and my tone was really pleasing to people, and they liked my way of talking. So I have to praise myself, I have to give some reward to myself. You can go out and whatever you like to eat, you can eat, or if you like to go for a ride, you can go. Whatever makes you happy, that will be a reward for you. So do that which makes you happy again. So in these ways, if you apply these ways, whatever I'm talking to you right now will help you a lot and you can overcome. But what I'm saying is, have that consistency. You have to have that consistency, and you have to go ahead. And you cannot, you cannot say that I will do this week and I will stop the next week. It should not go like that. You have to be consistent with whatever you start. So 5 methods, what I told, again I will repeat, is the first is self-help method, and the second is practice deep breathing, and the third is create an exposure hierarchy, and the fourth is stop predicting about people, and the fifth one is self-help, or self rewards, I mean self rewards plays a very important role. These are the 5 methods where you can overcome your social anxiety. I hope my video helped you in ways, and if any doubts, you can ask me. Again, I'm telling questions, you can ask me. And thanks again for watching my video. Please like and please share and subscribe my video. Again, a lot of thanks.